If you clicked on this video because you keep keeping this fist wave and you're on the trail, it probably means you're new to riding. Welcome to the sport. Getting on the trails and riding is a fun time, but there's some trail etiquette needs to be followed for everyone's safety. In this video, we're going to go over the basics to keep yourself safe, not cause harm to others, and help keep your trail system open. There are 12 things we're going to go over, and the first is hand signals. If you're riding in a trail and you meet a machine going the other way, and you give them the wave and all smiles, this screams newbie to the other people on the trail. They want to get as far away from you as possible because they think you don't know what you're doing. Looking at the hand signals, if you're riding all by yourself on the trail, you meet an oncoming machine, you give them the fist, this is a zero signal. This means there's 0 machines behind you, and the person that's going the other way in the trail that you meet knows, hey, there's no other machines behind that person, so there's not a danger coming up right away. Now, there could be another machine behind you, say it's another group, some other riders that are going along the way, but you're responsible for who's ever in your group, if it's yourself or everyone else behind you. If you're in a group of 3 people and you're the leader in the group, you'll give a number 2 signal to the oncoming traffic, and then the second person gives number 1, and the last one again gives 0, letting the people go in the other way. There's no one else behind you. Let's say you're in a group of 8 riders. The leader in the group gives 5, same with the next couple people, 5, until there is 4 riders behind them, and 3, 2, 1, 0. You only have 5 fingers, you're gonna use 1 hand, so you'll use the 5 until you get down to count from 4 to 1 to 0. Always run with your lights on during the day. This is not so you can see the trail, this is so other people can see you on the trail sooner, they have more time to react, move out of the way, or hit their brakes, so everyone is safe. When you stop to check your map, take a break, or sightsee, do not stop in the middle of the trail or the road. Move over to the side or park in a location others can drive around you. Slow down when driving around corners and move over to the right-hand side if possible. Never stop on a corner of a trail. Always stop in a straightaway where you can clearly see in front of you and behind you. If you're getting value from this video, give it a thumbs up so others can find it as well. Don't litter. Pack it in, pack it out. If you see trash in the trail and you're able to pick it up, please do so. When you see tree branches, rocks, or other objects that can cause damage to your machine or injure someone, stop and remove them from the trail. If you carry a chainsaw like we do, you can clear the fallen trees out of the way to keep the trail safe. Be aware of your surroundings and what is behind you. We highly suggest buying mirrors for your side-by-side if they did not come on it. If you don't have mirrors, you can do periodic head checks. Also, move to the right side of the trail, let traffic pass, and wave them around so they know you're staying over to the side and letting them pass. When you're driving on the shoulder of main roads, be mindful of the dust you're creating for the traffic behind you. Also, slow down in residential areas. When someone is stopping a trail, check on them. It might be hours before someone else passes them again. Checking on someone doesn't mean you need to stop, you just need to slow down and look at them. If you're the person pulled over, do your part by giving a wave to indicate you're good and just taking a break, or flag the person down if you need them to stop. Bring bear spray. Even if you think a machine can outrun the bear, you never know when you'll break down, be stranded for hours and no cell service. When you're riding in a machine with other people, make sure all of your passengers know what your hand signals mean to each other. Good story. So riding down the trail, I'm driving, my wife is a passenger, it's getting close to dark, and she points over to the side of the trail and I can't see, so I assume she wants me to pull over and stop over there. So I start slowing down and stopping. She starts flipping out because I'm stopping and I didn't know there was a skunk, so I was almost stopped 3 feet off of a skunk until I took off and hit the gas. That would have been bad. So if you have a funny story about riding, drop it in the comments below, or something else that's great for other riders, drop it in the comments below as well so we can learn from each other. Now that you know this information, please spread it by sharing this video on your social media, or copy the link and text it to the friend that's also new to riding. You know, the one in your group that you're both like talking to each other, what do these hand signals mean? For more information about trail etiquette and riding, there's links in the description below. Now get out there and ride safely.